Hi guys, continuing with our Ganesh Chathurti special series. Today I will show you a very simple 5 minutes prasada recipe, banana rasayana. This is also a good way to use up all those extra ripe bananas lying around at home. This is a list of ingredients required. For this rasayana, we need 3 ripe bananas, slice them slightly thick like this. Then we need jaggery. Using a knife, prepare shavings of jaggery like this. Take about quarter cup of this or according to your sweet tolerance. To this, add 2 teaspoons grated coconut and 1 tablespoon honey. Mix well and done. This is a very common prasada served in temples in South India and also a simple version of the more famous Panchamrita. Happy Ganesh Chathurti everyone. If you liked this video, please like and share it. Leave your comments in the comment section below. For more such interesting recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Thank you.